Okay, what's up, everyone? Sorry, I just wanted to make sure that I was going live to my social media accounts as well. Welcome to everyone here in the Edgeful Discord, as always. Appreciate you guys being on. What's up, Hoa? Um, yeah, so pretty interesting day today, I must say. Whilst my trading view closed, I would just bring it up again. Pretty interesting day. Obviously, we just sold off. We're making highs pre-market, but we go over a couple of the trades that I did take today, and I managed to get green quite nicely on a bunch of my accounts, and I've actually been on quite a nice run as of yet. I still need to upload the accounts into TradeZella for me, my side, but we'll go over a couple of Edgeful reports. I did request some payouts today on this account, $5,000, as well as so I'll breach these accounts because I'm taking the full balance with top one trader and then top one futures. I did some quite only $150 across each account, which I'm currently getting close to halfway, towards the target. Yeah, but $140 across each account. So that's what I did on the US market side of things. So I just traded futures in the US session. I traded DAX on my CFDs in the London session. But basically, I got up pretty prematurely. I got out at the lows here on ES. Shorting's pretty simple. Again, trading the Edgeful orb, which you guys can go check in the link in my bio. There is actually a 7-day free trial. So I'll put the link here in the Discord. But basically, underneath New York session, view up underneath the opening range low and just shorting, following that trend, following underneath the opening range low and New York session view up. You guys have heard me speak about this quite a lot. But again, just playing, keeping it simple and trading what's in front of me. Okay. Maybe I could have done better to hold for sure. But yeah, I think it's a good trade. I took a good trade and just stayed focused on just getting green. I think that's what's been serving me quite well in the last bit. A lot of guys have been trading the Edgeful orb, so obviously a lot of guys trading Nasdaq, NQ, Edgeful orb, and by the way, just showing on screen there, that is the link in my bio, my link tree to get that 7-day free trial with Edgeful. But again, let's go over the orb here with the Nasdaq. Very, very simple. Again, we don't even have a double break. And yeah, I don't know why just waiting for the indicators to load over here. My internet has been playing up a little bit today, but again, same as ES, trading underneath that edge, the opening range low and underneath the New York session V up, and we continue moving lower, holding trend. See how actually at the market open, we kind of have like a fake out over here to the highs. And I think that's something that, waiting for 15 minutes after the opening range is actually set in before looking to take trades. I think that's something that's helped me a lot, at least in order to avoid those fake outs. So yeah, again, I think across all my accounts, I did about 150 today. Again, just stacking the green days. It's been pretty neat because obviously this month I still need to import my trades from today, of course, and I can only actually put my futures accounts and some API access with the CFD accounts, but bring green every single day across all my accounts. Some accounts have experienced negative days, of course, but that's why I don't really copy trade in batches. Let's say I have 10 accounts, I'll copy trade maybe 3 and 2 and 3 and 3. Like I might not even trade some for the day, but it's been a pretty solid month, as you can see. And again, this is not even including my CFD accounts because of the API access with them. But yeah, it's been pretty neat. And again, going to stack a green day today. It's going to be about 1,100 across all the accounts, but on this TradeZilla screenshot, I'll probably only show about 450. But yeah, as I said, requested some payouts. That's been going pretty neat, and just taking it one day at a time. I think the biggest things for me, again, is just keeping it simple, trading what's in front of me, using the edge for reports like this opening range breakout, and accepting losses. Like yesterday, I didn't get it right. I didn't get it perfect. I tried to buy. I spoke to you guys on that daily recap yesterday. I tried to buy too high, and then I end up taking that for a loss and end up getting back down in the short. So, just keeping it simple in terms of my trading, taking it one day at a time, and backing my decisions that I'm using to trade in terms of my Edgeful reports. So a lot of learning today, I think, because I didn't catch as much as I would like to, but I think that's the thing with trading. You're never going to catch all of the move. Let's actually speak about my DAX position in the London session over here. And I think this was a pretty neat trade. I was actually looking after my son this morning, and I literally caught the longs over here. I got in at this off the bounce of the daily view app, and I literally got out at the highs of there. I took about 50 points out of the market, and this thing continued ripping higher. Am I going to catch all of it? No, but I'm stacking wins, stacking green days, and the conference is staying alive with also the payouts every single month. So yeah, I hope that you guys are having a good trading week, or it's only Tuesday, but trading month. Hit me up, comment over here below. I'll get back to you guys as always, but let me know how your trading month has been. I'll see if there's any questions, but I'm always here on here for daily recaps in the Edgeful Discord, as well as pre-market prep tomorrow. If you want to come check out the Edgeful 7-day free trial, make sure to come do that as well. The link is in my bio, as mentioned. I did put it in the chat in the Discord too. But yeah, again, like I think if we just go over here to the Edgeful, again, like the Watson play, like look at this. Let's go over here. Let's go to the Watson play section. Okay. And let's go to this opening candle continuation. Like most of it is bearish. Like look at this. Initial balance, bearish. So is the opening candle continuation. And that opening candle continuation, that first hour, you want to be trading in line with the data. This Watson play is all across the years telling us to stay short. That's what helps me stay on the right side. So opening range, first hour provides the key for me and my trading, along with obviously VWAP. But I hope that you guys have a good rest of the day. We will, just keep it simple. Stay focused on yourself and your trading. And I hope that you guys have a blessed rest of the day. We'll see you here on tomorrow. Cheers, guys.